What the heck is that?
Twitter. I am sitting on the couch.
Dude, are you seriously tweeting this early in the morning?
What else would I be doing? It's a rainy day, retard.
What?
Go check outside, you idiots. Becca. I know you're sitting on the toilet.
Okay, man, I'm gonna go check, so... No! Why?
Oh, Carly. Hey man, if you're so bored and you're such an idiot, just take the phone and get on Twitter. There you go.
Cool! I'm now eating Twinkies! I seriously feel like throwing up right now, bro.
Are you serious?
Yeah, like really bad.
Dude, go to the sink. Hurry. Mom's gonna be pissed. Go. Dude. What the heck? What the? How did that even fit into your freaking stomach?
I don't know, I was hungry.
Dude! You're supposed to take the ramen out of the package, first of all. Who eats shrimp ramen anyway? Dude, and peanut butter is freaking generic, bro. How did a food processor get in your stomach?
I don't know, man. This is freaking me out. I don't even remember eating these things, but I probably did. I was really hungry that day.
Dude, you need to... Oh my god.
Just get out of my face.
Just
get out of my face.
Wow.
So freaking bored.
Dude,
Yeah.
Since Twitter made you sick,
Yeah.
maybe we should just try Angry Birds.
What?
Angry Birds? Yeah, you never heard of Angry Birds? Yeah.
Not really. Yeah.
Here, I'll show you.
Can you pull it up?
Yeah.
For me on your iPad?
Yeah.
I mean, iPad. There we go.
Okay. Here you go.
Alright. Alright, Angry Birds. Try this
It's
out.
up already. Just turn it on.
Alright.
Yeah. Okay, so all you have to do
Alright.
is pull the slingshot with the bird
Alright.
and try and hit the green pig.
Alright, he's flying.
Simple.
Okay, it hits it.
Okay.
Oh, this is pretty fun.
Yeah.
Last level. Cannot be freaking beaten. What the heck? Ah! Ah!
Dude, what the heck are you doing? Why are you crying?
Dude, I'm freaking bored.
Let me guess, you got to the last level of Angry Birds.
Yeah, the game makers suck at, yeah.
Okay,
not a game.
just try the Apple iPod negative first generation. Come on.
Yeah, I'm trying not to be bored today, and I'm trying to get entertained, and not to commit suicide. And I'm pretty sure this book would,
Just shut up and read the book. Just look at it.
What the frick? This cat's name is freaking Clarence, and it says she was naked when I came in. It's a freaking Barbie doll. He's 5 years old. He's looking at freaking naked Barbie dolls. What the heck? Forget it. This iPod negative first generation sucks. Eh. Okay, so it turns out there's nothing to do. There's just nothing to do. I'm so freaking bored. Oh, hold on. I hear somebody crying. I think it's my brother. Hold on. Hold on, dude. Hold on. Hold on. What's wrong? What are you doing?
Go away!
Why? I'm bored too. I think we're both bored, okay?
My girlfriend just broke up with me.
Whoa. Your girlfriend?
Yeah.
Yeah, right. Okay, yeah, well, it looks like we're both bored to death, so, should we just end it, or what?
Let's do this. Let's end it.
Why, man?
We have no idea on how to live life anyway. Life sucks anyway.
It's just today, man. We'll have other opportunities, but...
No, forget it. Let's just end it.
Okay.
I hate doing this. But it has to be done. Oh.